Boys, we're in the middle of a complete blizzard, and Fred thinks this is the perfect time for a haircut.
Fred just set up a full barber shop in a blizzard. The clippers are already covered in snow, but he's acting like this is totally normal.
You know what? Let's do this. What's the worst that could happen getting a fade in a blizzard? I can't even see Fred through the snow, but I'm committed now. This is happening. The clippers just died. Snow got into everything and they're completely fried.
Fred's going old school with scissors, but the wind keeps blowing everything sideways.
Fred's cutting my fur, but I can't tell because snow is filling in faster than he can cut. Fred is still cutting. He's going purely by feel since he can't see anything. Wait, the wind stopped for a second and Fred actually got a taper going. How is this even possible? And we're back to whiteout conditions. This storm is not giving up. Whew. Fred's using his whole body as a windbreak. He's creating a tiny barbershop microclimate. Fred's going full professional mode. He's cutting faster than humanly possible. The storm is trying to break Fred's windbreak, but he's not giving up.
Fred's doing the detail work. He's creating perfect fade lines in a blizzard.
Fred's checking his work like a true professional. Even in a blizzard, he's got standards. Look at this. Fred gave me a perfect low taper fade in the middle of a blizzard. This is impossible, but it's perfect. The storm's back, but you can still see the perfect fade. Fred's work survives blizzard conditions.
Fred's cleaning his tools in a blizzard. True professional never compromises on equipment care.
This is the best haircut I've ever gotten, and Fred did it in the worst possible conditions. 5 stars. Boys, I just got the freshest fade in blizzard history. This look is storm-proof.
Fred just walked back into the blizzard like giving perfect haircuts in impossible weather is totally normal. Boys, we witnessed barber magic today.